Hello and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Mel and today we are going to explore our home learning packs. Don't forget to make use of our free access code. Go to twinkl.com.au/offer and enter the code. Firstly, log on to twinkl.com.au. Then click on Australia. Scroll down to find our school closure home learning resources. Click on this link. Here you'll be able to find advice for schools and home learning resources from the Early Years Learning Framework all the way up to Year 6. We also have a special educational needs home learning resources available too. For today we're going to have a look at our Years 3 to 4 home learning resources. Here you'll be able to find our Year 4 Australian Home Learning Resources Pack. You can have a look at our Year 3 Australian Resource Pack. During this video, I'd like to show you the Share a Story ebooks that we have for all year levels. This ebook is suitable for 7 to 9 year olds. Click download now. Once you have downloaded the resource, you'll be able to find all the required materials. There will be an ebook. There are activities. There are design activities, maths activities, and English activities to go with that resource. There is a school closure Share a Story pack for all ages. And also, new daily and weekly planners will be added very shortly, so keep your eyes peeled for those. This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next time for more Twinkl Tips.